Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Subaru key fob battery used for different years, different models, BRZ, Forester, STI, WRX, XV and more. The battery you will need is a CR1632, 1632, and you can click on the link below to get it online. What we will need is a small flathead and a little bigger flathead just to make it easy. And let me show you. First we have to take the emergency key. As you know, we have to push the button right here and to take the key out, just like that. Now, show you right here. This is a slot, so I take the larger screwdriver, okay? I put it in and I just turn clockwise. Okay, and it opens. Do not apply a lot of pressure, no need to apply a lot of pressure. This is the inside of the key fob. Now we have to take this part off as well. Be gentle with it. If it comes off easily, good. If not, use a small screwdriver to take it just like that. And here is the battery, okay? This is where it should be. So it goes like second. Just like that. Alright, so the battery, as I said, 1632. Here there is a small slot and just underneath, and you can take the battery. Alright, now this is a good one, so I'll use it again. You slide it in and you press. Okay, once again, to take out right here. Okay, right here, you will see it up. If this comes out, that's fine, don't worry about it. Just put it back where it should be. And to put it back in, you slide and you press. We're all good. Now we will take this part, this part. Put it just like that. Tighten the key fob, make sure everything good. Put the emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.